Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your speakers or headset on Steam for PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now here's something important to understand before we begin. Steam doesn't actually control your speakers or headset directly. Instead, it uses your Windows sound settings. This means you'll need to change it in Windows first, and then Steam will automatically follow those settings. So let's start by adjusting your Windows audio output. First, locate the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, down in the system tray. Right-click on this speaker icon to bring up a menu of audio options. From this menu, click on Open Sound Settings. This will take you to Windows Sound Control Panel, where you can manage all your audio devices. Once you're in the Sound Settings window, navigate to the Output section at the top. Below it, you'll see a drop-down menu displaying your current audio output device. Click on this drop-down menu and select your preferred device from the list. This could be your speakers, headphones, or any other audio device you have connected to your computer. If you need to adjust the volume, use the slider to set it to your desired level. This ensures your audio is at a comfortable listening volume before you test it. To confirm that your selected device is working properly, speak into your microphone and check if the input bar moves. This visual feedback confirms that your audio setup is functioning correctly. Now that Windows is configured, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will open Steam's configuration panel, where you can customize various aspects of the application. In the left sidebar of the Settings window, click on Voice. This section contains all of Steam's audio and voice chat related options. Look for the Voice Output Device option. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu that displays your current audio output. Select your preferred speakers or headset from the list. This tells Steam which device to use specifically for voice chat and game audio within the platform. And that's it. You've successfully changed your audio output in both Windows and Steam, ensuring your preferred speakers or headset works seamlessly across your system and within Steam games and voice chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.